morning everyone. Today we discuss about excretory system of frog. Excretion. Excretion means elimination of nitrogenous waste from the body is called excretion. The excretory organs of frog is kidneys. Kidneys helps for the excretion and homeostasis. Homeostasis means maintenance of water and the salt balance. Water and the salt balance is called homeostasis. We also discuss about hemostasis. Hemostasis means stopping of bleeding. Stopping of bleeding is called hemostasis. Homeostasis means maintenance of water and salt balance in the body is called homeostasis. Hemostasis, he means blood. Stoppage of blood is called hemostasis. Stoppage of bleeding is called hemostasis. Excretory system. Excretory system consists of kidney, one pair of kidneys, one pair of ureters, urinary bladder, cloaca. Excretory system consists of one pair of kidneys, one pair of ureter, urinary bladder and a cloaca. First, kidneys. Kidneys are compact, flat, bean shaped, elongated structures. Color of kidneys dark red color. Color of kidneys dark red color. Kidneys are retroperitoneal organs. Retroperitoneal organs. Kidneys are retroperitoneal organs. Important. Retroperitoneal means actually each soft organs or each visceral organs are covered by peritoneum. That peritoneum is visceral peritoneum. Each visceral organ is covered by peritoneal organ, visceral peritoneum. In kidneys, peritoneum and in kidneys, visceral peritoneum covers only ventral side. Only ventral side of the kidney. Retroperitoneal organs means the visceral peritoneum covers kidneys only on the ventral side. These organs are called retroperitoneal organs. Retroperitoneal organs means the visceral peritoneum covers the kidneys only on the ventral side. These organs are called retroperitoneal organs. Kidneys are situated this is vertebral column. This is vertebral column. Kidneys are located slightly posterior region of the body cavity. Slightly posterior region of the body cavity and on either side of the vertebral column. On either side of the vertebral column. On either side of the vertebral column. Vertebral column. Kidneys, the structural and functional unit. Structural and functional units are nephrons. Nephrons are uriniferous tubule. Uriniferous tubules. The structural and functional units of kidney is nephrons are uriniferous tubules. Nephrons are uriniferous tubules. Next. Read this one. On the ventral surface of each kidney, on the mid-ventral surface of each kidney contains adrenal gland. Ventral surface of mid-ventral surface of each kidney contains adrenal gland. Adrenal gland. Next, ureters. Next, ureter. From the posterior outer margin of kidney arises tubules called ureters. Ureters. From posterior outer margin of each kidneys arises tubes called ureters or urinogenital duct. Or Wolffian duct. Or Wolffian ducts. In males, testes are, this is testis. Testes are functionally attached with kidneys. In male frog, this is male expiratory system. In male frog, testes are functionally attached with the kidneys. So, ureter carries both sperms and urine. So, in male frog, ureter is called urinogenital duct. Urine plus gametes, urine plus sperms are carried by male ureter. So, male ureter is called urinogenital duct. Urinogenital duct. Testes are functionally attached with the kidneys. In male frog, sperm duct is absent. Sperm duct is absent. So sperms are carried by ureter. Sperms are carried by ureter. So in male frog, ureter is called urinogenital duct. Reason: testes are functionally attached with the kidneys. In female frog, this is oviduct. Ovaries. In female frog, reproductive system and excretory system are separated. There is no functional attachment of ovaries. But in males, testes are functionally attached with kidneys. So in female frog, ureter carries only urine. Ovaries are carried by oviduct. These are oviduct and ovaries. Oviduct and ureter are separately opens into the cloaca. Next, urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is thin-walled sac-like structure. Urine is temporarily stored in urinary bladder. Urinary bladder opens into the cloaca. Urinary bladder present ventral side of the rectum. Urinary bladder presents ventral wall of the rectum. This is rectum. Urinary bladder presents ventral wall of the rectum. Cloaca is common passage for excretory system, reproductive system and digestive system. Common passage for excretory system, reproductive system and digestive system. Ureters opens into cloaca. Through a pore. This pore contains valves. Ureters opens into cloaca through a aperture. This aperture contains valves. Another important point: cloaca is common passage for excretory system, reproductive system and digestive system. The excretory waste is carried by blood into the kidney. In kidney, the excretory waste are separate and eliminate. In kidneys, the excretory waste are separate and eliminate. Frogs are ureotelic organisms. Adult frogs are ureotelic organisms because it excretes urea. Adult frogs are ureotelic organisms because these organisms excrete urea. In larval stage, larva tadpole. In larva is aquatic organism. Tadpole is aquatic organism. So these tadpoles excrete ammonia. So these are ammonotelic organisms. Ammonotelic organisms. Frog larvae are ammonotelic because these are lives in water. Adult frogs are ureotelic organisms. These excretes urea. The excretory products depends on their habitat. The excretory products depends on their habitat.